Hi, everyone. When you get on Zoom, some of you might have seen this. So like the first time that you get on there, you should have a thing that pops up that says, to hear others, please join audio. And you should have the option that says call using internet audio. And what that just means is that you'll be able to hear through the app itself instead of having to call in by a separate number. So if that pops up, what you want to do is make sure you hit that button that says call using internet audio. And that should allow you to hear if you're having trouble hearing, or if there's no sound at all. And if you happen to hit cancel or something there, you can go down to where it says join audio, and it should give you that option again. Once you've connected to that, every time it should sort of like default to that when you log into Zoom. So you should be able to hear. And you can always too, if you're in there, remember you can go to the chat and chat with us if you can't hear. Three-way calling. And now we have Christina's phone, which looks a lot like mine. All right, so let's say that we're going to do a call. So Christina, you can call me, you can do whatever you want. But like, say she's gonna enter a phone number. There's me. So give me a call. Should be ringing. There we go. Hi, Christina. How's it going?
Okay.
Okay, so you see where everybody see where it says add call right here, that little plus sign? That's how you're going to add another call. Like you're going to add your next caller. Okay. So Christina, do you want to hit that? We can put it on the Navy thing. If you want, I can give you that phone number. And the number for that is 1202 762 1401. If you ever need to know the time. It's probably like some combination of letters too, but I don't know what those are. Okay, so now look, we're calling the next one. Okay, and that's what happened. So she's gonna hit that merge button right there. You see that? And once she does that, let's see.
Minutes, 50 seconds.
Yep, we're all on it together. So we've got Christina, we've got me, and the Navy. Okay. So, and then when you're done, you can just hit that hang up at the bottom like you would on a normal call. And that will disconnect all of us. But again, you can do the same thing again and add another call if you need to. So you could add 3, you could add 4, you know, at a certain point, it's probably going to get a little noisy and it might be hard to tell who's who. But 3 is a reasonable number and 4 might be too. I will see you next week. Bye, everybody.